Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online class. Today we are going to study about human excretory system. What is excretion? The biological process involved in the removal of waste from the body is called excretion. How this waste form? We all know many metabolic activities are going on in our body. Metabolism means the sum of all biochemical activities takes place in the living organisms. As a result of these biochemical activities, certain nitrogenous waste products are produced. These waste products should be eliminated from the body then and there, otherwise it becomes harmful and toxic to the body. The main excretory product is urea. The tissues and the organs associated with the removal of waste products constitute the excretory system. Apart from the human kidney, the skin and lungs also involved in the process of elimination of waste in certain extent. Skin forms the outer covering of our body. It stretches all over the body. Skin forms 15% of our total body weight. The skin contains many structures such as hair, nail, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, etc. It involves in the elimination of metabolic waste and also helps in maintaining our normal body temperature. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. When it gets hot, the sweat glands start secreting sweat. The sweat contains water with small amount of other chemicals like ammonia, urea, lactic acid and salts. The sweat passes through the pores in the skin and gets evaporated. Lungs also involves in the process of elimination of waste. It eliminates carbon dioxide and water vapor through the process of exhalation. Kidneys. Kidneys are the major excretory organ. It is bean shaped and reddish brown in color. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity on either side of vertebral column and it is attached with dorsal body wall. Each kidney of an adult human being measures 10 to 12 centimeters in length, 5 to 7 centimeters width, 2 to 3 centimeters thickness with an average weight of 120 grams to 170 grams. The kidneys are covered by a layer of fibrous connective tissue, renal capsules, adipose capsules and fibrous membranes. The outer surface of the kidney is convex and inner margin is concave. On the inner concave side of each kidney, a notch is present called as hilum. Through this hilum, the blood vessels and nerves are entered inside the kidney and the urine leaves out from the kidney. Ureters are thin muscular tube emerging out through this hilum. The anterior end of the ureter is wider and is called as renal pelvis. The ureter carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a sac-like structure and it lies in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. The urinary bladder stores urine temporarily. When the urinary bladder fills with urine, it sends out through a canal-like structure called urethra. The urethral sphincters keep the urethra closed and opens only at the time of micturition, that is urination. Longitudinal section of kidney. Internally, the kidney consists of an outer dark region called as renal cortex and an inner light region called as renal medulla. In the renal medulla, 9 to 12 inverted pyramid-like structures are there called as medullary pyramids. The broad end of each pyramid is branched and gave the appearance of sepals of a flower. Hence, they are called as calyces. From the calyces, the urine reaches the pelvis, and from the pelvis, the urine enters into the ureter. In turn, it enters into the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder fills with urine, it sends out through the urethra. Each kidney consists of several thousands of minute tube-like structure called nephrons or urinary tubules. These are the structural and functional units of kidney. We should study the structure of nephron in the next class. Functions of kidney. Kidneys maintains the fluid and electrolyte balance in our body. Electrolyte balance is nothing but ionic balance. It regulates acid-base balance of blood. Kidney maintains the osmotic pressure in the blood and tissues. Kidney also helps to retain the important blood plasma constituents like glucose and amino acids. Home fund. Explain the structure of kidney with a neat labeled diagram. Why do we sweat? Mention the functions of human kidney. Thank you.